Let's make the cheese omelette. Take a mixing bowl and crack 3 eggs into it. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates. If you've tried my recipes, post a picture or video of it on social media and tag me. I will be happy to hear from you. Also, don't forget to like and comment. Now into this, add an onion and a tomato that are finely chopped. Season with half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon pepper powder. Whisk this well till the mixture becomes foamy, around 2 to 3 minutes. Now heat a teaspoon of butter on a pan. Spread it across the pan. Pour in the egg mixture. Let it cook on a low heat for 2 minutes. Once the base becomes a little firm, flip the omelette very carefully. Let it cook for a minute. Flip it once again. Now add bits of cheese slices over the omelette. Cover with a lid and let the cheese melt. Once that's done, remove the lid and garnish your omelette with chopped coriander leaves. Finally, season with oregano or mixed herbs and red chilli flakes. Turn off the flame and relish the cheese omelette while it's hot. Enjoy!